How to autosave chats on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to autosave chats on Snapchat. So let's begin. The very first option that I would suggest is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you have done that, simply open your Snapchat app and then go to the chat section right here by clicking on that button, or you may also swipe right like this one. And then now, what you're going to do is that you may either press and hold onto their chat, for example, this one. So press and hold and go to chat settings. And right here, you may be able to see the delete chats option. So you may click on delete chats and make sure to choose 24 hours after viewing instead of the after viewing option. So again, click on 24 hours after viewing instead of after viewing. So what this will do is that if the default one is chosen, the after viewing, once you left the chat, for example, this one, or you exited the app, that means that your chats will be deleted automatically. Unlike the 24 hours after viewing, whenever you, let's say, for example, read their chat and then leave the app, so that chat will remain for at least 24 hours. And then once you've chosen that, you may click on it and then press back and then that's it. Let's say for example that you don't have that option, so don't worry since you can press on their chat and click on their profile found on the upper left, click on the three dots, and then follow the same step, chat settings, delete chats, and click on 24 hours after viewing. So that's it. That's how you can auto-save chats on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.